little explorers. Welcome to Shape Adventure. Today we're going to learn about different shapes. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's go! First, let's look at a shape that is round and has no corners. Can you guess what it is? That's right! It's a circle! Great job! Can you think of something else that is shaped like a circle? Awesome! A pizza and a clock are shaped like circles. Next, we have a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Do you know what it is? Great job! It's a square. Can you find something square-shaped in your house? Wonderful! A window and a coaster are shaped like squares. Now, let's look at the shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. What could it be? That's right, it's a triangle. Can you think of something that looks like a triangle? Awesome! A slice of pizza and a road sign can be triangle-shaped. Here's a shape with 4 sides, but not all sides are equal. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's a rectangle. What rectangles can you find around you? Great! A book and a door are rectangle-shaped. Next, let's look at a shape with 5 points that shines brightly in the sky. What is it? Fantastic! It's a star. Can you see stars in the night sky? Wonderful! Stars light up the night sky. Here's a shape that looks like a stretched out circle. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's an oval. Can you think of something shaped like an oval? Good job! An egg and a rugby ball are shaped like ovals. Thanks for joining us on Let's Discover Shapes. If you enjoyed learning with us, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye!